Hey guys, this tutorial is how to enable one-touch indicators for your Nissan Note e-Power. If you give it a small press, it will flash 3 times and then self-cancel. Now, if you haven't already, please go watch the intro to this video series. It's a guide on how to install DDT for all and what you need to set everything up and get the job done. If you have watched that video, we can go ahead and get started. So the first thing I like to do is plug the OBD into your computer, then plug this into your car whilst the car is off. There we go. And once that's plugged in, we can go ahead and start the car up. I like to start the car up fully, so engine running and the whole lot. All right, once that's plugged in, car's running, we can open up DDT for all, and we can see the OBD there. We can select that. We have to hit I am aware that I can harm my car if badly used. Hit that, and we can hit connected mode. It will take a moment. Once that comes up, we can make that bigger. Now what we need to do is select the car that we're going to be modifying. So you would think that we'd be selecting a Nissan Note, but we're actually selecting a, where is it? Navara Alaskan. That's the one we're selecting. Once you have selected the Alaskan, I'm just going to make this a little bigger. Go down to BCM/UCH, and then select the middle one, which would the correct one is iKey 2017-0628. It'll pop up down here. Double click that, and then go up to the top for manual request. Hit OK. Now it's categorized in 2 different groups here. So the top part here is data read, and that will tell you, what setting is selected right now. But to actually write the data, we actually want to go down to data write. If you go down to data write CF74, multi-flash lane change, enable that with execute, and that's it. Simple as that. So close this out safely, just close that, close the program, turn the car off, and then unplug the OBD. And don't forget, we still have a lot of options that are available to us to modify. Some of the options are changing the language on the around view monitor. We can enable follow me home lights, and we can disable the reverse beep. So if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.